Ed here with the Digital Digest, and today I wanted to share a quick unboxing and first look at the Ulanzi OSMO ACTION vlog cage. Now, for those of you that follow my channel, you know I already unboxed the OSMO ACTION, and I've been using it, and I would say that this is pretty much a GoPro killer in every way. In fact, GoPro immediately responded by trying to undercut the pricing of this $350, that is US action cam, because it does have a more feature-rich package in just about every way than what GoPro presently offers at their top of the line. So this isn't about the action cam itself, but rather the Ulanzi product I have right here. I'll include a link in the description. Ulanzi did furnish me with this cage. And for those of you wondering why you'd want this, well, it's just another layer of protection. And on top of that, it gives you the ability to mount additional accessories for your OSMO action. So let's get it out of the box. First thing I have here, the bottom mount for actually attaching the cage to different mounting systems. And then we have an Allen key as well as some screws for tightening things up. And then here is the cage itself. So let's take a look. This is all metal. We can see we've got some cold shoes on the top side, quarter 20 mounts, or threads, I should say. Pretty nice overall. I'm assuming this is the back side, so this should probably just, yep, it pops off. And then the OSMO action should just drop right in. And of course, do use care whenever putting any camera like this into a cage. You don't want to damage your camera in the process, even though most solid or well-made cages should, of course, not damage your camera. But I have seen accessories damage cameras before, so it wouldn't be the first time. And there we go. It's clicked into place. As I mentioned earlier, this piece right here is if you want to actually mount this with the cage. You have the two included screws right there, and you're going to go ahead and just screw that on, and that's it. This does not, I mean, it pretty much, from the cages I've seen, I think this is roughly $40 US, give or take. Again, I will include a link in the description, but for what it provides, I think it's exactly what a lot of you are going to be looking for in the form of, you know, more protection and then the ability to add other accessories to your OSMO action in order to vlog a little bit more thoroughly than you would with the traditional case that it comes with, which is this plastic piece right here, which to me is pretty much junk. So if you actually are serious about what you're going to do with your OSMO action, this to me appears to be a well-made and probably warranted purchase at its price point. It's a brick, and you know, you still have access to everything, your SD card slot, as well as charging port, still accessible. So nothing is being blocked. All the buttons, the microphone array still exposed there. So it looks good. I mean, Ulanzi seems to be on a roll here with what they've been cranking out in terms of accessories for DJI products. That's why I've continued to cover what they've sent me. They're not all perfect, but plenty of them are a very solid value, especially when you look at the competition. Nothing against the competition, but they're making good products. What can I say? So you've got quarter 20 threads on here, cold shoe for, you know, microphone, lighting, whatever you might want. So you really can take your OSMO action footage to the next level and protect it all at the same time. Looks good. Going to have fun testing this thing out. Any questions or comments, please feel free to post them. Hit that like button. And as usual, please feel free to subscribe. Later.